Hi, welcome to How to Make a Living thanks to the One Funnel Away Challenge. My name is Massimo and I am an affiliate marketer. It means I sell products or services online and I get commissions for doing this. The purpose of this video is to show you how you make a living, how you can earn money thanks to the skills you got from the One Funnel Away Challenge. Maybe you don't know yet what the One Funnel Away Challenge is all about, so I tell you what it is. It is a challenge of 30 days where you learn how to build a funnel, and at the end of the challenge you will have your own funnel built and in your hands, ready to run. You can learn how to do and build your first funnel for your own business, for what you want to sell online, service or products, yours or third-party services or products, to sell online the products of your own passions or hobby, or for creating your own online business. So let's go now through all these different methods to earn money online, to make a living thanks to the skills that you will get doing the One Funnel Away Challenge. The first way is just becoming a ClickFunnels affiliate, which means selling the products or services of ClickFunnels itself, the company which gives you the funnel builder in order to build your own funnel, the software. Once you become a ClickFunnels affiliate, you will get a web page with all the links, with the offers that you can start promoting as new affiliate. Of course, you are not going to spam links everywhere. It doesn't work like this. You see this happening in Facebook groups all day long. People start spamming their links about their affiliate companies or multi-level marketing companies, which is a losing strategy because, as you know, if you already did it, you don't get any lead in this way and no one is coming to you. But the result is to be hated from people which see your links spammed everywhere. There are better ways to do this. And the way you can learn this is the ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp. You will see 15 different top affiliates and how they are using ClickFunnels for promoting ClickFunnels products and services in a win-win way. The second way to earn money with the skills you gain doing the One Funnel Away Challenge is to follow one of the 30 winning business models which successful people is already using. Who are these people? They are ClickFunnels 2Com Award winners. It means they already made $1 million in 1 year thanks to ClickFunnels, using what they learned from the One Funnel Away Challenge for building their own business from scratch, using ClickFunnels Funnel Builder. It was asked to them, what would you do if you would lose everything? Your mailing list, your business, your credibility, everything. No contacts, and you have only ClickFunnels for 30 days and one internet connection. So they answered with their own plan from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and so on. Their own unique way to start from zero, from scratch, with creditors phoning them for their bills and build their own successful online business. You get 30 videos and you get 30 plans, one plan for each video, where the author of that business gives you the written plan, which goes together with the video, so you can follow step by step what they would do if they had to start from scratch, from zero, which could be your current situation. And you have 30 of them. It means 30 different business models, and you can choose one of them, watch the video, stick to the plan from day 1 to day 30 and create your own business online, modeling their business. Another way to do this is using your passion, your skills, and build around it your own online business, building your funnel while you are doing the One Funnel Away Challenge, and then starting with it, learning how to get traffic in order to get the right interested people in front of your own business, which could be singing, playing music, painting, making videos, practically everything. Maybe you have already a business going. Another way to use the skills learned in the One Funnel Away Challenge is applying it to your own already existing business, which means you have already your business, you want to scale it, but you know how to do. You are stuck. So in the One Funnel Away Challenge, you will learn how to build funnels. You will get your first funnel done and ready to run. Then you launch it and start selling your products or your services so that you get the results you want. And once you learn how to build funnels with ClickFunnels, you can build all the funnels you want for each of the products you have or for each of the services you have. The last way to use the knowledge of the One Funnel Away Challenge and how to build funnels is just choosing other affiliate products. Maybe you are already an affiliate marketer, but you find difficult to drive people, the right people in front of the products that you are promoting and to get enough people. So the One Funnel Away Challenge is the solution, because you learn how to create funnels. You end the One Funnel Away Challenge with the funnels for your own affiliate product or service that you are already selling or trying to sell, and you start to get more revenue than ever. Does it sound good? So let's do a recap of this video. The One Funnel Away Challenge gives you the skills to build funnels with ClickFunnels, and at the end of the challenge you will have your own funnel built and ready to go. And you learn also how to get traffic to that funnel. You can earn money once you do the One Funnel Away Challenge. You can use the funnel you built for selling ClickFunnels affiliate products. Choose one amongst the 30 different business models that you can find in the 30-day summit. Choose one of your skills or passions in order to use them for creating your services or products and sell them thanks to the funnel you built with the One Funnel Away Challenge. Or build your own funnel for your own existing company or more than one, so that you can just unstuck from the level where you are and reach the next level. Or you can just use the funnel that you already built to sell other affiliates products or services. So if you didn't start yet the One Funnel Away Challenge, do it clicking on the link, which could be here, there. It depends from where you are watching this video. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and see you on the One Funnel Away Challenge. Ciao.